Back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be doing our long-awaited exhaust system. As you can see, we've got the boxes in front of us. We can't wait to get this exhaust on it and see how it changes the sound of the car. So let's get into the show. We have the technical guy, the conservative, and then the wild man. Once again, it's brilliant on my part.
We could run the exhaust right through the gas tank.
We're going to make a modification to the bumper. You got that hacksaw?
So for our exhaust upgrade, we're going to be going from our hidden single exhaust to a quad exhaust, and it's going to be an axle back. We may get some power increases, but especially it's going to be the sound that's going to be the most different.
All right, we got some different components here. Our exhaust tips.
Obviously also much bigger diameter.
Woo! Check it out, check it out. Yeah!
That'll definitely change the look of the rear end.
You think? Awesome. And this cool box. Oh yeah, check it out. Woo! Look at that. Sweet.
Right under there.
Check that out. Yeah.
Quad tips.
With our quad tips, exactly. All right. Let's keep going. This must be the actual piping. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Yeah. Say that's a little bit of an upgrade from our existing exhaust.
More breathing room.
A little bit, just a little bit. Got our mounting hardware. I still wanted this on my car. Because it came in, I was like, I can't continue to add parts to my car. We'll never get the project car done. Now we gotta put this baby on. Yeah. So now that we got the car in the shop, we're gonna go ahead and jack up the back and start working on the exhaust. So you're gonna cut along here. We need to take this off right here to see where we need to cut along here. Because you're saying axle back, which is technically this is your...
But I'm kind of wondering if it needs, if the gas tank is the... Because if it were to come straight, you know, right out of the catalytic converter, we could run the exhaust right through the gas tank. That would be interesting.
But this was our... And then this goes here.
Yeah, that would be that one.
I don't think that goes there. This goes here.
Let's see, no, it's, should be,
That goes there.
like that. No, it's the other one. Let's see. How do we have it?
Okay, so that's more like it. I see what they did. Okay. You're coming from right here.
From that point?
Yep. So when they say from the rear axle back, they actually mean from the rear axle. Okay. Like really the couple inches.
It almost seems like that tail on that one goes that direction.
Yeah.
It goes more the other way.
Yep. Wonder if they flopped them. Let's see. Nope, that's not gonna. Well, unless you. Oh, because then you're.
That's where we were at.
Was it? It was about right there. Yeah.
Okay, so go with that. How does that
That might work. Yeah. Yep. Yeah,
So
okay.
That's a little more.
That's more. Right there. Yay! We did it! Do we know what we're doing? I don't know. That's a question for you. Do you think we know what we're doing?
Next time we'll work on a puzzle with 4.
Right? Do you want to mark this? Yeah. Got our pipe cut, and we'll go ahead and pull out the muffler now. That's way too small. Oh yeah. There we go. Do you want to try and pull those off? Now our bumper's in the way. You got that hacksaw? We're gonna make a modification to the bumper. Little modifications never hurt. That's the whole point of making changes, right? It's part of the design, build, and stand out. All right, look at that. There's no bracket over here, huh?
No.
Oh, okay. So that's for, this is for the diffuser, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, they're going right there. Okay. I see. They're just cutting this piece out right here. No big deal. Where's my handy dandy new cutting tool? Yeah, I think we'll have to figure out something how to help mount this up. I think it'd just be better overall.
You need a bracket when you got an impact driver.
Right?
So what you can do is you can just fire this guy up, let it run for a while, and it'll make its own cutout.
Right? So we've got our new exhaust, and right now it's kind of like the sleeper look. And we want to see what it sounds like. Yeah. So we're going to start it up and see what kind of noise we can produce. See if we can get the neighbors to complain. All right, let's do it.
It
clearly says that you need an R or SEL bumper to install this exhaust. So I'm probably going to have to buy a bumper. But the thing is, I can destroy this bumper.
Is it this line or is it this
Well,
line?
I think we're going to start with this line.
Just to be on the
Safe.
safe side.
Yep. This is why we have such a great team, because we have the technical guy, the conservative, and then the wild man. And so the conservative man will help me so that we don't cut too much off in our attempt to create a SEL bumper. We're actually okay. There you go. Once again, it's brilliance on my part. So this is, we've got some minor cutting to do and trimming up to do, but overall you can see how this is going to turn out. So we've got our tip over here. And so this is actually the Jetta SE bumper. And so we were able to make those modifications. We're going to go ahead and finish up some minor trimming and cutting that we got to do. But we actually priced out what the bumper would be for an SEL or an R bumper. And we basically saved about $400 to $500 by making our modifications. So if you like the content of this show, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.